A web hosting software is a graphical control panel that allows you to manage many websites, databases, files, emails, and other resources hosted on a server from a single place. For managing any websites and databases, it is utilized by corporations and web hosting service providers. You may use the best web hosting software to automate your website hosting, server databases, DNS settings, mailboxes, and more. You may also use a web hosting control panel to check your website's bandwidth utilization and modify your website bandwidth accordingly so that your visitors have no difficulty accessing your website. All of these operations may be completed by getting into the server directly, but they need extensive technical knowledge, experience, and competence. A single error causes the entire website to go down, resulting in a loss of database visitors and uh, conversions. Web hosting administration software, on the other hand, is simple to use and saves time when it comes to managing domain names and email accounts, uploading files and installing apps, among other things. Here are a few web hosting software that can make your life easier and more fun. Agenti is a widely used open source management system with a browser based admin interface. You may install programs and execute scripts as well as check important server statistics like RAM use, spare storage space, and so on. If you want to manage many websites, you should look at utilizing the Agenti V add-on. It lets you administer PHP, Python, Ruby, and Node.js based websites. Agenti is a highly modular and adaptable framework that is extremely beneficial for a variety of scenarios. It has the following features like interfaces that are simple and well documented, Ajax based front end on a single page, notifications, models, and real time updates are all available. Firewall Google's AngularJS is used to create the user interface. Authentication and authorization are pluggable. Layout that is responsive. cPanel is a Linux program that automates web hosting tasks and makes it simple to administer your servers and websites. It is one of the industry's top web hosting control panels. This control panel includes features such as publishing a website, creating email and calendars, managing files securely, managing domains, launching databases, adding or removing DNS, configuring FTP, scheduling cron tasks, and providing log metrics, among others. Plex allows anybody to administer cloud servers, WordPress, Joomla, and other softwares. It received almost 200 extensions. Plesk has the following features: interface that is simple to use, multi-tenant functionality is supported, SEO package with a strong security component. Plesk is used by online professionals such as IT admins, infrastructure providers, developers, digital agency, and content managers. cPanel, as I discussed earlier, is its primary competitor. A direct admin is a web hosting control panel that comes with three access levels by default: admins, resellers, and users. Each level has its own sets of characteristics: DNS administration and clustering, IP management, user management, software upgrading, and other tasks are available to administrators. Account and package administration, user communication, and system information are all capabilities available to resellers. File and database management, email administration, FTP management, site backup, and more features are available to users. WHMCS is a well known web hosting software that may help you manage and automate the day to day activities and operations of your web hosting company. It's compatible with all the main control panels and service providers, including Service cPanel and Plesk. It's simple software that was created with web hosting in mind. You can get started right away. Its characteristics allows you to set up a completely automated hosting account with domain administration. You can generate invoices and accept payment from clients. Support ticket system is included to assist client as quickly as possible. High-end functionality is provided through an integrated support tool. It is simple to design and adjust to meet the needs of the business. A secure solution that is ideal for developing company. Cockpit is a Linux server administration tool that is open source. You can launch containers, manage storage, configure the network, and analyze logs, among other things. It has the ability to handle and monitor several servers at once. All you have to do is add the systems you wish to track, and Cockpit will take care of the rest. It has the following features: visualize the performance of the system, container management using Docker, a web based shell, administration of user accounts, obtain information about the system's setting and diagnostics, make changes to the network configuration. You can immediately install it and begin monitoring your servers thanks to their great documentation.